Find approximate value of square root of 101 using differential calculus. How we generally find out the approximate value of a given function? Suppose the given function is y is equal to fx, the exact value is x and the approximate value is x plus delta x. To find out the approximate value of x plus delta x of this function, we generally use the first principle of derivative. From first principle of derivative, we know derivative of a function is equal to limit f x plus delta x minus fx, this is the increment of the function, divided by delta x approaches to 0. So f of x plus delta x, this value will be equal to f dash x multiplied by delta x, f dash x multiplied by delta x minus fx. So fx plus delta x will be equal to, rearranging the term, the f x plus delta x will be equal to f dash x delta x plus fx. That means when you find out the approximate value of a function f x plus delta x, this is the approximate value, and f x plus delta x is the approximate value of the function, then that will be equal to the function fx plus the derivative of the function, that is f dash x multiplied by the variation, that is delta x. So to find out the approximate value, first we have to choose the function. Here suppose the function is fx, then we choose the approximate variation, that is delta x. So find the approximate, that means the variation, that is suppose equal to delta x, then take the derivative of the function, that is f dash x, and use this formula to find out the approximate value of a given function. So here x value we have chosen 100 because it is given to find out the square root of 101. So it is easier to find out the square root of 100. That is why we have chosen x value is equal to 100, and so delta x value will be equal to 1. If you have to find out square root of 101 approximate value, then the nearer value of 100 here is equal to delta x, that is equal to 1. So what will be fx? Fx is equal to square root of 100 or square root of x. Then you find out the derivative of the function f dash x. If you find out the derivative of square root of x, then this will be equal to half x to the power half minus 1, that is equal to minus half. So its derivative is equal to 1 by 2 square root of x, and x value is equal to 100, and square root of x is equal to 100 is equal to 10. So 10 into 2, that is equal to 20. So here you see, since it is easier to find out the square root of 100, we have chosen x value is equal to 100. Then the function, that is square root of 101 will be equal to fx, that is square root of 100 plus f dash x we have found out 1 by 20 multiplied by delta x is equal to 1. So square root of 100 is equal to 10, and 1 by 20 into 1, this is equal to 1 by 20. So if you add these two numbers, this will be 200 plus 1, that is 201 divided by 20, which is equal to 10.05. So you see how it is easier to find out the approximate value of any number using differential calculus. Thank you.